In this video, I'm going to announce my winner for the Back to School for Moms giveaway. So if you're interested in seeing who won, you know what to do. Stick around. Okay, everybody, here is my giveaway for the Back to School giveaway for moms. Now, here are all the names of everyone who entered into the giveaway. And the giveaway is now closed. It closed on the 25th. So I've put everybody's name in, and here is the wheel. And now we're going to see who won the giveaway for Back to School Moms. And the winner is Marcio 2747. Marcio 2747. After this video is released, you have 48 hours to contact me, and my email address will be listed up across the screen. After 48 hours, I will go to another contestant in the giveaway. So you have exactly 48 hours after the video is released to contact me. If you want to see more, click the video here or the link below, and you be blessed.